Hello, dear friends and Instagram users. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to activate a quiet mode on Instagram. This feature allows you to automatically disable notifications at certain times of the day. So, if you don't want to be bothered by Instagram notifications but are tired of manually turning them on and off, follow my steps. Well, let's get started. First, go to your Google Play Store or App Store and check if you have the latest version of the Instagram app. If you don't, click on Update and wait a few seconds for the app to update, then click on Open. If you already have it, enter your Instagram app. Now, in the bottom right corner of the screen, click on your profile. Once you've done that, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Go into the first option, Settings and Privacy. Now, touch the Notifications option. Below the Pause All option, you will see the Quiet Mode option, enter it. Now, set a quiet mode to the on position. Once you've done that, you can now customize the start and end times of this mode. By clicking on the Start Time option, you can choose at what hour you want this mode to begin. Clicking on the End Time option, you select at what hour you want this mode to end. You can activate it for up to 12 hours. When you're done, you'll receive a reminder 10 minutes before quiet mode starts. If you enjoyed the video, click on the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, see you soon.